Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly set up a couple of payment gateways or methods for your Ecwid store or account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Ecwid account as an administrator, and once you're in the dashboard, which is where I'm at right now, you'd want to navigate to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a bunch of different options. So right between the design and shipping and pickup tab, you'll see payment. So from here, simply click on payment and it'll take you to this new page here where you're able to add new payment methods to your store. So this way people are able to use these gateways to purchase items and products from your store. So there's the option pay by cash. This one's actually default, or you could connect your Stripe account, PayPal, and so on. Or if you want to do a manual payment method, or by a different provider that's not natively supported, then you can click on add a manual payment method. Let's type 2C2P, for example, 2P, and then give them a set of instructions of where they need to go to make the purchase. So this can include links and so on, so they can actually buy products from your store. And once you guys enter all of the details on what they need to do, simply hit save and you guys are done. Now, the methods that I would recommend are the ones that are natively supported by Ecwid, being Stripe and PayPal. As you can see, there are actually a lot of platforms supported by Stripe, being Visa, MasterCard, American Express, the Discover card, Google Pay, and so on. So basically anyone can do this. Or you could do this one, which will pull up all of the supported payment methods in your country. So here, do to checkout, crypto.com, iPay88, so on and so forth, and you guys are done. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.